Hello. Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body if you eat bananas every day? Could this common fruit be the key to improving your health in ways you never imagined? And what about the potential downsides of eating it daily? Plus, how about learning a delicious and healthy banana chip recipe you can make at home to replace unhealthy processed snacks for good? Stay with me until the end of this video to discover how to maximize the health benefits of bananas. Because your health is your greatest asset. If you enjoy tips like these, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to never miss any updates, while also helping the channel grow. Did you know that bananas can support kidney health? Keep watching to find out more. To start, let me ask you, what's your favorite benefit of bananas? Or what's your go-to way to enjoy this fruit? I'd love to know. And while you're at it, tell me where in the world you're watching from in the comments below. Also, share this video with your friends and family so they too can learn about the amazing benefits of this fruit. Let's go. Bananas originated in Southeast Asia and spread worldwide through trade routes. Did you know that in ancient India, bananas were called the fruit of the wise? Philosophers and mystics often meditated under banana trees and, of course, ate bananas too. Today, bananas are a staple in most American households. But are we truly taking full advantage of what this fruit has to offer? What are the 7 surprising benefits bananas can bring to your health? And what precautions should you take when consuming them daily? Benefit number 7. Improves digestive health. If you struggle with digestive issues like constipation, poor digestion, or irregular bowel movements, bananas can be your ally. Rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, bananas help regulate your digestive system. Soluble fibers absorb water and form a gel, easing bowel movements and preventing constipation. Meanwhile, insoluble fibers add bulk to stool, stimulating intestinal movement. Green bananas, in particular, contain resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and improving gut microbiota. Interestingly, green and ripe bananas have different effects on the digestive tract. Green bananas, their high resistant starch content, can help manage diarrhea by absorbing water and firming up stools. Ripe bananas, rich in soluble fibers, they help prevent constipation, making bowel movements easier. Depending on your needs, you can choose the right type of banana to support your digestive health. Benefit number 6. Provides natural energy. Need an energy boost to get through your day? Bananas are a fantastic option. They're rich in natural carbohydrates, especially sugars like fructose, which are quickly digested and provide an immediate energy boost. Bananas also contain B vitamins, which help convert food into energy. In one study, bananas were compared to sports drinks in high-performance cyclists, and the fruit proved just as effective while offering natural antioxidants. So why not swap out processed energy drinks for a banana? Your body will thank you. Benefit number 5. Helps control blood pressure. Did you know bananas can aid in managing blood pressure? This fruit is rich in potassium, an essential mineral that balances sodium levels in the body. Potassium acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessel walls and improving blood flow. A medium banana contains about 450 milligrams of potassium, nearly 10% of the daily recommended intake. This can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and strokes. Benefit number 4. Boosts mood and reduces stress. Feeling stressed or down? Bananas might help. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and well-being. Additionally, bananas are rich in B vitamins, which calm the nervous system. Studies show that eating bananas regularly can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. So if you're feeling low or struggling to focus, adding a banana to your diet might be an excellent idea. Benefit number 3. Supports bone health. Did you know that minerals beyond calcium are crucial for strong bones? Bananas provide magnesium and potassium, which help strengthen bone structure. This is especially important for postmenopausal women who are at greater risk of developing osteoporosis. Including bananas in your diet can help maintain strong and healthy bones throughout life. Benefit number 2, supports kidney health. Keeping your kidneys healthy is vital for eliminating toxins from the body. The high potassium content in bananas helps regulate fluid balance, easing the burden on your kidneys. However, if you have kidney issues or are on a potassium-restricted diet, consult a doctor before increasing your banana intake. Benefit number 1, promotes heart health. Undoubtedly, one of the most significant benefits of bananas is their impact on heart health. In addition to managing blood pressure, the potassium in bananas helps regulate heartbeats and prevent arrhythmias. Bananas also contain phytosterols, which lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Can diabetics eat bananas? Well, bananas are not the best fruit for diabetics. Because they're sweet, their glycemic index is 62, and their glycemic load is 16. However, when compared to desserts or industrialized cookies, bananas are a more appealing option. If you're diabetic, you can eat bananas, but do so in moderation. Green bananas, in particular, have a lower glycemic index due to their resistant starch, which is digested slowly and helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, the fiber in bananas slows the absorption of sugars, contributing to better glycemic control. But eating a plain green banana doesn't sound very appealing, right? How about learning a delicious and easy recipe instead? Healthy banana chips recipe. Imagine a crunchy, delicious, and nutritious snack that can easily replace industrialized cookies and chips. The best part? You can make it at home quickly and easily. Ingredients: 2 green bananas, half a tablespoon of olive oil, seasonings to taste, salt, lemon pepper, and smoked paprika or oregano if you prefer. Instructions. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or use an air fryer. Second, peel the bananas and slice them into thin rounds or strips. The thinner they are, the crunchier they'll be. Third, season the banana slices. In a bowl, toss the slices with olive oil and your chosen seasonings. Fourth, arrange the slices on a baking sheet or in the air fryer basket. Fifth, bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. If using the oven, flip the slices halfway through. Sixth, let them cool and enjoy. Ready? You've got yourself a delicious, healthy snack packed with benefits for your health. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Green banana biomass. Made from the pulp of cooked green bananas, this functional ingredient can enrich a variety of recipes, boosting your diet's fiber and nutrient content. Potential drawbacks and precautions. First, excessive calorie intake. While healthy bananas are calorie-dense, overconsumption can contribute to weight gain. Moderation is key. Second, high potassium levels. For individuals with kidney problems or those taking medications that affect potassium levels, consuming too many bananas could be harmful. Third, allergies and sensitivities. Although rare, some people might be allergic to bananas. Proceed with caution. Fourth, diabetic consumption. As mentioned earlier, diabetics should eat bananas in moderation and opt for less ripe ones due to their lower sugar content. Fifth, medication interactions. If you're on medications like ARBs, for example, losartan or potassium-sparing diuretics, you should moderate your banana intake. As you've seen, bananas are so much more than just a common fruit. They are an accessible and versatile health powerhouse. Did you know that an American study found that diet is the leading cause of preventable deaths in the US? When asked what could be done to reverse this, the answer was simple. Eating just 1 fruit a day could move diet from the leading cause of preventable death to second place. Overtaking smoking. 1 fruit. Choose bananas. They're an easy and delicious way to reap countless health benefits. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to like and share. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. If you made it this far, leave a banana emoji in the comments to show that you're part of our community striving for a healthier life. I'd love to know who watched the video until the end. Want to keep learning about health? Also, check out these videos. The 3 dangerous mistakes if you're over 50, detect them quickly. And what happens to your body with omega-3 for 30 days? Benefits and risks. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote well-being for everyone. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.